Hola chicos, bienvenidos a Lightspeed Spanish. Today I want to bring some more good news as well. That's two lots of good news this week. Y las buenas noticias son que ya está a punto de salir el siguiente libro de Lightspeed Spanish, The Road to Mexico, El Camino a México. This is the follow-on story from The Road to Morocco. This is the next chapter in my life of learning Spanish and all of the adventures I had along the way. So this book is a bilingual Spanish and English book. The layout is this. You have this page in English, this page in Spanish, all the way through. It's a book that's got 288 pages in it, packed with a bit of fun, really. It's not a serious book. It's talking about the fun that I had, the adventures that I had, the surprises, the frustrations, the food that I ate, and the experiences that I had. There's even one where somebody was nearly burnt alive. This book will help you with your journey in Spanish. Why? Because it's written in Spanish and English. The Spanish reflects the English, but sometimes it doesn't because there are expressions that won't translate. And so you have to see what an equivalent expression would be in Spanish. Okay, it's a fascinating read. It's going to be available in Kindle, and it's also going to be available in Audible as well. We're working on the audio now. I've done my bit, Cynthia's going to do her bit, and then we'll get it in Audible as well. So the ideal is to be able to have the book and to listen to it as well. So we'll keep you posted. When it's on the market, it won't be long. Pues eso es todo. Muchas gracias. Y gracias a Cynthia por haber traducido todo el libro. Y gracias a Cynthia por haber grabado el audio en el futuro, porque no lo he hecho todavía. Y es un trabajo enorme. Y con el calor que hace... Hasta luego, chicos. Adiós.